If you're experiencing login issues with Newton City Bank, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing the bank's website or app. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and ensure that your caps lock is off. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROOK to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions or VPN. Sometimes, browser extensions or VPNs can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions or disconnect from the VPN and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Newton City Bank's customer support. They can provide assistance and help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the bank.